Welcome to Cooking Physics, the only show where you can blame that overcooked turkey on the heat death of the universe. Tonight, we're going to be showing you good folks how to make your own particle physics model of the universe. Isn't that exciting? Now we're going to be doing this via quantum field theory, so you got to grab your trusty pads because those fields are lively. What is a field, you may be asking? A field is when you take all space-time points, like all points in space at all points in time, and you give them a quantity. Like it can be a number, like temperature. Like take this tiny sun. It's 5 million Kelvin, and it's right there. Whereas over here, it's 3 Kelvin. Temperature. Now that we have our concept of a field, we can, let's choose a fun one. Let's choose an electron, which is a spinor field. This is 4 complex numbers, and it looks like this. That's it. It's so easy, folks. I'm going to put this in the pot. So we have a field, and it's just sitting here. We want it to get up, get lively, get moving. How do we do that? There's this magical thing called a Lagrangian. It looks like it's complex maths. It's just a bunch of symbols. So the Lagrangian will tell the field to move in the laziest way possible. In terms of temperature, it'll mean the hot goes to cold, and the cold goes to hot. This is the term. This means the change of the field, and it interacts with itself. This is the field interacting with itself, by itself, and this is the mass, which is the proportionality. Lagrangian is probably the most important thing. If we want to have more fun, we want to not have one ingredient. Let's put another field in, like this guy. Then this is a photon. It's 4 real numbers. Then we literally add its own Lagrangian to the other Lagrangian, and they can both exist, but they do not interact. But we want them to interact, because what is a stew and if the materials do not mix and meld and taste? So we create an interaction term, and we can add this to this crazy mathematical thing called a Lagrangian, and it looks like this, where you have, this is the photon, this is light, this is the 4 real numbers, this is the conversion, this converts this, so it can talk to this one, and you can multiply them and it makes sense. But this is 4 complex numbers, and look, the proportionality is charge of an electron. We have created the charge. Yes? Now the quantum bit is because we can just turn them into particles. It's called quantization. And really that's it. That's quantum field theory. You just pick different fields and turn into different particles, and we try and recreate the universe. Next time on Cooking Physics, a red giant expands and destroys us all.